In this video I'm going to show you how you can record live television from your Samsung Smart TV to an external device. For this you're going to need either an external hard drive or a USB stick. In some cases a USB stick may not work with your Samsung Smart Television. It will totally depend on the make and the model, and it will depend on the quality of the USB stick. Some of these have very fast write and read speeds, some are very poor quality and will just simply will not work. Generally they're not supported and officially supported by your Samsung Smart Television, but they may work. In my case I have a 2013 and a 2017 Samsung Smart Television and it works perfectly fine. An external hard drive which connects via a USB cable will work perfectly fine. These things are very fast, very reliable, and they're usually at least 500 gigabytes to 2 terabytes in size. So these are not the cheapest things. Depending on the size you buy, you probably end up spending anywhere from kind of £30 to £70, depending on the actual size of the hard drive. So these are obviously the dearest option. But if you have a USB stick hanging around the house which you don't mind formatting, then try one of these. It might work, it might not, but just try it. So the next step is to plug either one of these two into the back of the Samsung Smart Television. Okay, I've now plugged the USB stick into the back of the television, as I know that particular USB stick works with this TV. So this is a 2017 Samsung Smart Television I'm demonstrating here. So in some cases you may get two remote controls with the Samsung Smart Television. One will be a smart remote control, the other one will just be the bulk standard. I'm just using the standard remote. That's the one with lots and lots of buttons on it. So once you grab your remote, what you want to look for is the record button. Now bear in mind, some remotes may not have a record button. If they don't, press the information button and then scroll down and you may see a record option on the screen. So if it hasn't, try that method, but press the record button. Once you press the record button, a little box will pop up saying a performance test. Now this will tell you whether your USB stick or your hard drive is capable of recording footage from your Samsung Smart Television. So press proceed. This usually takes anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds, so just give it a little time to perform its test. Okay, so it's now performed the test and it's started recording. I don't know if you can see the timeline on the actual bottom of the TV, but it's now recording that particular channel. Now bear in mind, once you're recording from a Samsung Smart Television, unless it has twin tuners, you can only record one channel and watch the same channel at the same time. You may in some cases be able to watch certain channels, such as say if BBC One, BBC Two and ITV1 are on the same multiplex, you might be able to record one channel and watch the other, but in some cases you can't watch all the channels available on your particular network. So if I just press the stop button on the remote control to stop that recording, stop recording that program now. So say for example I wanted to find the program I've just recorded. Sometimes you may get a little option at the top you can see here which displays, it says play, list and close. Sometimes you won't get that message depending on the Samsung Smart Television and the model you have. So what you want to do is grab your remote and press the source button. The source button is usually located right at the top of the remote control, so press that and you can see a little menu opens. Again, the menu will depend on the version of your television. So in my case I know that my USB stick is called the Cruiser Blade, so I go over to that and press the button. It then displays all of the content, so I press the contents and then you can see the program I just recorded is down there, so press that and it should start playing. And there it is. So if I just press stop, so that's basically it. So all you need is an external hard drive or a USB stick in some cases, but bear in mind it may not work. And so simply plug it in, press the record button, it will then format and test the USB stick, and then you can just record all your favorite programs from your Samsung Smart Television, from live television, and then just enjoy them afterwards. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.